Yeah, what do you want?
Hi, mechanic.
Do I look like a mechanic?
I don't know. Maybe.
You wouldn't catch me crawling around under any old bomb, getting all that grease on me.
Look, my car's broken down. I want to get out of here. I need a mechanic.
What's the hurry? You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah, all right. What about the mechanic?
How do you have it?
White with a 1.
We used to have one, but he ain't with us anymore.
Where is he?
Well, a matter of fact, he's across the road.
Well, I'll just go and talk to him.
You can try, but you'll have to dig him up, because he's in the cemetery. Cheer up, son. I can put you up for the night.
What about a bus?
Thursday.
That's 2 days.
We'll be able to get to know each other.
2 days.
Real well.
Boy, maybe I could help with your troubles. Come over. Come on over and talk to the king of rock and roll. You know what I see when I look in your eyes, boy? I say free spirit. I see a crazy man, boy. You're crazy, boy, like me.
Yes, sir.
You know what I got out there, boy? I got me a 57 Cadillac, just like the kind I bought my mama Gladys. She's dead now. Well, see, you and I go and get in that car, we hit that highway, we'll be like Thelma and Louise. You be Thelma, I'll be Louise.
Sure. You only live once.